If your photos look flat, noisy, or just a little off, this will fix it fast. Let's take this image from this to this inside of ON1 Photo RAW. First, let's head into Develop and turn on Brilliance AI. This handles the tone and color automatically for us. All we have to do is adjust the amount slider to taste. It even creates local adjustments based on the image that we're editing. So I'm going to boost the color in that flora. I'm going to darken the sky, and I'll also add in a bit more contrast and depth to the water. Also inside of Develop, you've got NoNoise AI built right in. So if you're editing a noisy landscape or a high ISO wildlife shot, just click NoNoise AI and it'll instantly reduce that noise while preserving sharp detail where it matters most. And now with our landscape, let's head over into Effects and start styling the image a bit. In Effects, you've got tons of filters in here to get creative with and completely change the look and style of your photo in seconds. In this case, I'm going to use the dynamic contrast filter to bring out detail and texture. I'll increase the small slider to make those finer details like branches and the textures in the trees and the rocks really stand out in the scene. And that's it. Quick, simple, and a huge transformation. Open ON1 Photo RAW and try it on your own photo, or follow along with this practice file.